Alright folks, so just wanted to do a quick demo showing our new linking capability. So I'm going to go into I'm over here in Jingle on the left, and this is a Smartsheet window on the right. I'm going to go into Smartsheet, select Sales, Test Note with Link for YouTube Demo. Alright, so I'm going to post this note, and underneath it we're going to see a little link pop up here in a second. So now if I click that, it actually takes us to, so on the right you see that there's all these rows, but that link actually goes directly to, now here's what gets interesting. Say that I delete this row above it, right? So this junk row, I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to save it. So I'm in Smartsheet. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to re-click this link. And notice when it comes up that it's persistent, so it still took us to the correct row. And I haven't tested this, so we're going to do a live test here right now. So we're going to move it down, and then I'm going to we're going to insert 6 rows. Alright, so you see that I've moved this thing around. I'm going to save it, close the tab, re-click the link, and then assuming it's good, magic will happen. Yes, magic did happen. It went straight to that row 29. So anyway, this is our smart linking. So if you're making notes in Jingle, you're actually able to retain links into the dynamic data. So quick demo. We'll obviously have to polish it up a bit, but had a quick half hour, so just threw some code together real quick, and there we go. Thanks, folks. Talk soon.